V is for victory.
Four Star wants to help you edge out the competition.
E is for educated.
Our techs are continuously trained and are certified.
R is for reputable.
Our reputation means everything to us.
S is for score.
We want to help you win big.
A is for attentive.
We pay attention.
T is for thankful.
We don't take your business for granted.
I is for integrity.
Honesty and high moral standards. We wouldn't want it any other way.
L is for leader.
Four Star is a leader in the trucking industry.
E is for excel.
We want your business to do exceptionally well.
Being versatile is a quality we don't take lightly.
Whether you're a professional or a rookie getting ready to get into the game for the first time, Four Star Freightliner is the partner you want on your team.
If it's parts or service, trucks or rentals, contact Four Star Freightliner so we can win together.